Hey everybody, hear this? My that's my apartment fire alarm, guys. Here's Adrian. Say hi, Adrian. Oh, he might have hung up. Oh, you're still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright. Fire trucks and stuff should be coming soon, guys, so, yeah. I'll get back when the fire trucks go back. I don't know why they're going off. Did you hear how loud they were?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, guys, fire alarms. I'll call you back after the fire alarms are off, Adrian, alright?
Alright.
Bye. Man, guys, I was talking to my friend Adrian. Let's see, I'm going outside for just a few minutes. See if the fire trucks are there. Oh, you hear the ambulances and stuff? Listen. They're coming. They're coming, guys. Sorry if I look like a mess. I just got done playing hockey. Oh, there they go. I gotta go. There they go. It's a false alarm, guys, I think. There goes the fire trucks, there goes an ambulance, I think. Sorry, guys, I had to switch to my other camera. I had to switch to this camera because that one ran out of memory, so this one's out of battery, so there goes the fire trucks, if you could see them. Battery might go low, so if it does, that's the fire alarm going off in my apartment. There goes the fire trucks. Yeah. What a week. What a day today. Gotta delete some videos. Alright, now they're there again. There goes the fire people. And I'll do one last thing. I'll do one last part with the alarms, and it's a false alarm, guys. This has happened before. Yeah, this is yeah, this has happened before, guys. I think those are firemen. They're going down to a laundromat because you know my apartment laundromat, guys. You've seen. I made a lot of videos in there. That's where all the stuff, the fire alarm stuff is, where you turn it off. That's where that stuff is. But I'm gonna make one. There's the cops and fire trucks. Wow. Alright, guys, well, the fire alarms are off and everything's, luckily, nothing went wrong. Everything's okay. Something might have happened on the roof. I don't know, but that's it for this video, guys. Fire alarms are off, and yeah. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Comment what you think about the fire alarms, and yeah. I made this video with 2 cameras, so one, there might be different qualities in this video that like kept on switching because of I used different cameras. I also used hockey. There's hockey. I also used this camera, if you could see. But yeah. Just anyway, please subscribe, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll make a lot more videos soon. And yeah. See you later, guys. Yeah. Bye, guys. Subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.